If Trello email notifications aren't working, you might miss important updates, comments, or card activity in your inbox. Yeah, this usually happens because of notification settings, email preferences, or spam filtering issues. But don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll walk you through several fixes that usually restore Trello email notifications. First, check your notification settings inside Trello. Make sure email notifications are enabled for the types of updates you want to receive. Next, confirm that your email address is correct and verified in your Trello account. An unverified or incorrect email can prevent notifications from being delivered. Another common issue is emails going to the spam or junk folder. Make sure to check there and mark Trello emails as safe if needed. If you're using email filters or rules, they might be blocking or redirecting Trello emails. Review your email settings to make sure nothing is interfering. In some cases, notifications depend on board activity settings. Make sure you're watching the board or card so Trello knows to send updates. And finally, check Trello's server status. Occasionally, service issues can delay or prevent email notifications from being sent. And that's it. One of these fixes usually restores Trello email notifications so you won't miss important updates. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech tutorials.